So today we're chasing down a clunking noise that's coming from somewhere. It's somewhere behind this wheel fender. I'm not sure what it is. I don't think it's suspension related. I had my wife moving this car earlier and I could feel something clunking behind that fender. I have no idea what it is, but I assume it's some kind of AC pipe or something. So we're going to take a look and hopefully make our clunking go away. And we get to try out our new tool today. New Tool Tuesday on a Thursday. Regretting putting these caps on already. Alright, let's try it at number 2, see how it does. We'll see. Number 2 worked. So it's got like 3 settings, that's the middle one. Cool. Let me show you another tool I have that I never use. I've had these forever. They're for taking off, you know, VW, Audi, BMW wheels. And they're supposed to stop the wheel from falling. I'm not sure, what are these? M14 maybe? We'll try 14. Might be 14 by 1.5. Yeah, looks a little closer. Yeah, there you go. So these are M14 by 1.5. So the idea behind them is you just screw them in there so that the wheel doesn't fall and land on your toe or do any kind of damage. Yeah, that's pretty good. So that's the idea. So without those studs in there, like your wheel could fall, damage the shields, damage the rim, all kind of stuff. These are made by Lisle, and they come with 3. They're a pair, right? So it's 3 pairs. There's 12 mil by 1.5. I think they're for Mini Coopers. That kind of stuff, like BMWs, and then it's got the 14 by 1.25 as well, which is kind of like a finer thread than what this one is, but I never use them, but since I was making a video I figured I'd show them. And yeah, you can leave them in there for reinstallation of the wheel as well. I'm not, because they're going to poke me in the ribs. I can see it coming. But if you weren't doing what I was doing, yeah, you could leave them in there, doing brakes or whatever. No big deal. So I'm going to do the hokey pokey, see if I can find what's clunking or where it's clunking. I'm probably going to need to pull off that splash guard, or inner fender, I believe is what it's called in America. It's a splash guard. I'm going to see if I can find out what's clunking, and then I'll turn the camera back on. So I'm not seeing anything immediate that seems to be loose here. So what I think is happening is something behind this splash guard is causing our problem. So we're gonna rip it off real quick. It's held in with a bunch of like I think they're T20s. Yeah, you probably can't see it. It's the T20. Probably some plastic clips too. I got the light, the camera, it's all in the way. But hopefully you guys can see. My head's probably in the way. Oh, come on there, Astro. Dropping stuff. Always dropping stuff. Go figure, I turned the camera on to make a video. Freaking neighbor's got the power washer going over there. He's cleaning his truck. He's like pretty redneck. He goes mudding. So funny. He's only 15 or 16. But he got his license. Or 2 weeks later he went mudding. He got his truck stuck. That's a 4-wheel drive F-150, right? You know. I don't know, I've never had one, so. Gets his truck stuck. Calls his dad. Hey dad, come tow me out. The dad goes to tow him out. The dad gets stuck. Then they call the uncle. And the uncle's got a 4x4, I forget what it is. So then he hooks up. Then he gets stuck. So you got 3 trucks all tied together, stuck in the mud. I don't get it. I don't get it. Got a little 10 mil up in here. A couple little plastic retainer clips, which this tool's not getting in there. I don't believe. Oh, baby. You get a little pin out with a plastic pin. Let's see what else we got. This guy. What else? Is that it? Looks like it. Pop this guy down. Hopefully. Oh, it's dirty. Ugh. I'm breathing that shit in. That's how you take your wheel liner off. Mind your torch, flashlight, whatever. Something is wrapping. Ooh. Wonder, is that it? Sounds more clunky than that. I should have got you guys a video of the sign. Let me do the hokey pokey again, see if I can find what's making this noise. Alright, let me show you what I find. I'm not sure if this is it or not. There's a bolt right in here. Let me get a light. There's a bolt right here. It's that one. It's a 16 mil. It looks like it's part of the steering rack. And then there's another one here, which I think is the shock. I don't know what it looks like. Let me check. Yeah, it's part of the suspension. Yeah, that steering rack bolt, it wasn't tight. It wasn't, I mean, it wasn't loose, but it wasn't fingerless or whatever, but it was not. It was not tight. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Connor.
Connor what?
Connor
cool guy Connor.
Mm-hmm.
Right? What's your name? Cool guy Connor?
Mm-hmm.
Say it.
Cool guy Connor.
Cool guy Connor. You helping Daddy get your tools?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Who's your favorite superhero?
Flash.
Flash? Who's your favorite Ninja Turtle?
Raphael and Leonardo.
Well, both of them?
Yeah.
You not just one? You have 2 favorites?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much all of my favorites.
All of them?
Mm-hmm.
You want to go throw some darts later?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. He's a pretty good darts player. He's only 6 foot. He can hit the dartboard. So yeah, both of those were fairly loose.
Get the bullseye.
Yeah, you did get the bullseye. So I'm going to check the other side while I'm here, but so far that's the only thing that I find. I can't find anything else yet. The noise, definitely the noise is up high somewhere. I'm gonna get a crowbar and start jumping on stuff as well. I mean, yeah. So far that's that, and then I find there's a air intake underneath this fender, and it was, you know, hitting the fender, but I mean, it sounds more like metal on metal than what that is. That's like a fiberglass on metal, but we'll keep plugging away. We'll find it. I've went through this car top to bottom. I've smashed, I've poked, I've prodded, I've been swinging off of freaking pry bars. The only thing I found was the top strut, or the top suspension mounts were loose. Not really loose, just a little loose. Other than that, I can't find anything. I'll put it all back together, take it for a drive, see what happens. If it still makes that clunk, I'm just going to wait for it to get worse. There's nothing shiny under here. I can't see anywhere where any contact's being made. I did find a AC hose right up and behind the bumper here. That was a little close, and you know, if I give it a good pull, it'd make a thump. Could be, yeah, who knows. I did go through and tighten, or I checked all the suspension bolts, lower control arm, upper control arm, steering rack, you name it. I checked it. So I'm going to throw it back together, see what happens. We're going sans gloves. Ready? You coming too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm the one who has the list.
You got the list?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if you got the list, you got to come with us. Right?
Great. Why?
Here, let's take this car. Let me finish it up and then we'll take this car. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. I just got to throw the wheel on it. So I got these studs back in the hub, and this is where they really come in handy, is when you're putting wheels back on. So you don't have to worry about like holding it and putting a lug nut in. You just get it up there, get it centered, slap your bolts in. Lovely jubbly. Who wants to hit the button?
Me. Sure.
You guys want to do one each?
Sure.
Okay, let me set them up for you. Hold on. Hey, okay, come here. There you go. All right. So grab her here and squeeze that button. Go. All right, let go. There you go. Here you go, Abs. Give her the beans. That's it. That's it. Good job. Child labor. Best kind. Then you rip these guys back out when you're done. I mean, these are handy, but I've never dropped a wheel yet, so they do go. It makes it easier on your back, though. So I guess that's one thing. My back's freaking wrecked anyway. So, okay.